Yes, and they made 1, 2, and 3 conferences, regulations, laws, design.
Oh, you say hi. Anyway, just wanted to break the ice. Ladies, we are presenting a 1-minute video per group tonight. Your ambassadors and our partner agencies will be there. So we want to show them how greatly involved our videographer will take that video, and we will squeeze your discussion into 1 minute per group. Is that okay? Am I clear?
Ladies, this is the group halved into 2. Bahamas, Belize, Canada. Oh,
Exactly, it has to be. So we need to define it and tell them what exactly it is, and tell them that $3 million is going to be
presentation in Spanish.
$3 billion.
The grill and the windows, like there's so many big ones.
Yeah, I agree. I think one of the biggest problems is down the natural resources that we do.
Yeah, maybe natural resources are the most powerful thing they have, most valuable thing they have. So they want to sell that and not just like selling is a bit
right, like the problem, make a list of yes, from our own country, and then put them together and just take top 5.
Yeah, she's known for the whole thing.
No. 1 minute is not for us. It's just like they just make a video. Okay. No, for that. We have time. And then don't forget that we have to make a cheer. Yeah. When we begin. So we have to have a good. Yeah, we can make a like a common slogan for Asia. Since there are problems that some of our countries are not good in English, we could go as like a group. Yeah, so like as example,
I think we should stay together and we will help each other. You don't
definition for Asia.
No, I'm trying to find a slogan. So let's somebody search for definition of Asian. Let's somebody search for definition of
You have a definition for ecotourism.
Just tourists.
Yeah,
and the
ecotourism.
search box will search for a slogan.
Yeah, we'll make a slogan, search for slogan, or maybe we can make our own slogan. What do you think?
So I think we can search ideas for slogan.
Yeah, we can search, then we can make our own slogan. So first we go through the definition of Asia. So
I think we need to separate.
no, they don't like to separate. They just want to
No,
work
but
together.
it still seems weird when different people are doing different jobs.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I'm trying to find the slogan. You will try to find the definition of ecotourism, and you will try to find the definition of Asia. That's it.
Okay, so your slogan, you just focus on then ecotourism. I will find a.
Should we look for ecotourism project?
Yeah, sure.
And we need to like state some of the effects. Obviously, global warming.
And most of our countries do not have like environmental education.
Right. I think we should try to.
So we should do a SWOT analysis for these strengths, weaknesses,
That's the thing with a lot of
opportunities.
different countries is their education
And
programs,
first,
not
Israeli
environmental
region
awareness.
Exactly.
I think we should do a SWOT analysis, and that would really make our presentation like on point. And the opportunity.
present the SWOT.
Yeah,
Like just do it as like a brainstorming.
we could do it as a brainstorming thing, and
idea.
not obviously like say SWOT analysis when you up that we use it as a guideline to present. It would be good. And the opportunity would be and that would be the ecotourism thing. So they already gave us the opportunity.
Good. Yeah. Okay, so maybe we should do that as because usually with the presentation it's not effective if you don't have some sort of visual, and that's what was getting me like stuck.
So we should have what each person is
And we
going to
need to
say
be
when you get up
we
there.
need to be in sync, and
Is
that
what
would
you're
make
saying.
us more in sync as one because we're actually.
If we each have
SWOT
a
analysis, SWOT, so strengths, weaknesses, opportunities,
threats.
and threats. So it's what it's called is, where does it come from, the SWOT analysis? I don't know.
It's like a presentation thing. It's mostly in business.
Yeah,
But
I learned
in
it in
general
business.
for presentation.
So you put it like a chart up there, and you write strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and you write a list of all of the strengths, you write a list of all the weaknesses. So the weaknesses would be our problems, what our countries are contributing. The strengths would be our solutions, what we could do about them. And the opportunity is the ecotourism. You just write one thing for opportunity, just to emphasize ecotourism, and then threats.
Threats could be like the lack of education. And
Yes. Okay.
The people still
Is
contribute
there
to
a way that
greenhouse.
we can actually project this somewhere?
I should have brought my
People
computer.
could visually have it
Even put it on
almost
like a
already-
PowerPoint on one slide.
Right.
I should have brought my. This is like the one day I didn't carry my computer. It was
I
too
don't
bulky.
think I have one, and I'm really good with this technology.
I just say they're located in London back in 1989, and it's going in relation with the countries, and there has been become better since that. But in 2010, it was worse again. So they are still trying to find solutions.
So is it going to be just animals? We're going to talk about the
It has to be
breeding of
just
the
animals
animals,
because it has to be one thing. We don't have enough time to talk
or are
about
we
so
gonna-
many other things.
Yeah, but
And
also-
animal is like our major strength.
Really, let's also be a bit strategic because the theme of the pageant is climate change. So if we're going to talk about animals, we need to also try and bring it
But you
back.
know animals
Earlier.
Why do you just treat it like natural resources? It like encapsulates everything.
I get that
Animals
idea.
is natural. Because when we take away like the natural environment for them, animals won't even
Natural
exist.
resources
idea.
Animals is about their habitats and nature.
I have an idea.
Like the ecosystem has
No,
to
I think you guys will like this.
diversity has to balance.
South Africa, Sierra Leone, Kenya, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Malaysia. Guys, Africa is a third world continent, not just country, continent. We need to take it back there. A lot of the countries that are first world, they do have the funds, they do come to Africa and invest in us. They do tarnish our land. So I was thinking, why don't we take it from an angle where we're like, we're a third world. Our job is trying to find environmental eco-friendly firstly, and secondly, because we don't have anything, we've got literally an open foundation to start. These countries already have huge structures, their countries are different. So we go to them and we tell them, look, we're a third world country, a continent. All our countries are third world. We don't have countries.
Africa's all it's South Africa's all
Yeah, it's considered as a
Okay, and also with what you're saying, when you say ecotourism, there are two words that stand out for me: economy and preservation. As much as it's boosting your economy,
Ecotourism
are you
is like the
preserving it
perfect
enough, not damaging it? If it addresses those two things, I think it'll be fine.
In ecotourism, because we want to highlight our big five, we can easily say the biggest attraction to tourism is our safari. When you come to me and you see Africa, you see safari. Yeah. But you're destroying my safari because you want my ivory. You're destroying our ecotourism because you want to build on our beaches. You see what I say? And then we say, because we're so vulnerable, because we need the economy, we need the money, we want to be first world, we allow ourselves to be, I don't want to say raped.
Yeah, you can see that. We allow ourselves to be tripping, to be exploited.
So we tell everyone here.
Isn't that like a pity party though?
No. It's not a pity party. It's us saying,
hello ladies who just got
tiene playa, tiene Amazonas, tiene Argentina, tiene lo mismo, ¿cierto? Argentina también tiene todo. Entonces nos adaptamos a lo que tenemos ustedes y hablamos del tema.
La deforestación de los árboles
También.
La deforestación de árboles no segrega el clima para generar agua. Entonces también influye la falta de agua. Si deforestan, no hay árboles, no hay como que...
El árbol es como una casa, no tiene techo, ¿cierto? Cuando sacan un árbol, sacan un químico que se llama CO algo, no me acuerdo bien. No es CO2, no. Que eso hace el efecto invernadero,
contamina y
hace el cambio climático y haga más calor. Y ahí perdés agua, vienen enfermedades.
Aparte no solo eso, sino que es la pérdida de exterior. Yo creo que deberíamos ponerlo de alta tasa de deforestación y erosión de los suelos. Eso creo que todos tenemos. ¿Sí? Ok.
Voy anotándolo.
Ya, lo voy a anotar.
Specifically about the Asia class, we have to get out the
Farming is based on nature and has a little impact on the environment as possible because we usually got impact.
We're going to talk about waste and how so let's break down the so I'm going to take
we have to leave the room, but we have a speaker today. He will tell you more about hour should be enough, right? Okay. So can we please all stay in front?
One guy called Joey Green, he started this new business to help the local people get a job and a salary, and at the same time, from the aid deliveries that were sent to the local population after the typhoon hit the area, destroyed the area, and killed a lot of people. So they actually turned the waste packaging and made it into bags. Lovely project, isn't it? Sell this, maybe one person would buy. If you will sell it, loads more people will buy, right? But find the concept that works for your group and find the mission that works for you back home in your country. I was so touched this experience here can give you even more inspiration and even more power and even more ideas to come up with things that you can take home and implement with me are not eligible for answering it. Okay, let's see whether any one of you can answer it that wasn't in the bus for me. I will give that person a gift. What could this be used for? Any idea? Restroom. Sorry? Restroom. Yeah, you're not so far away. Virtually every day. Sorry? Washing balls. Yes, this is a eco-friendly washing ball. Have you used it before? Okay, great. So I promised you a gift, right? I promised you a gift. Okay, you'll get a gift. This is my eco book. You can see the similarity. Originally, I put rainforest. I used only Forestry Stewardship Council certified recycled paper. No tree was cut to make this book. I printed it with vegetable ink made from mushrooms. No, the newspaper here in the Philippines, smell the newspaper. You could smell the solvent. It's not good for the planet, it's not good for us humans. I calculated the total carbon footprint of each book and bought carbon credits to compensate and make the book carbon neutral. And then I bought more carbon credits to make each book means you are a winner. Winner by having won your national competition, and winner by having the passion and mission to carry forward your role as being a woman of the earth.
Go to the schools, you teach your, when you go to your school tours, okay, again ladies. And they're ready to start it? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. They're ready to call it?
We are representing Asia, the largest continent.
Yes, we are in a beauty competition, but our beauty is for a cause, our Mother Earth. It's not about one country or one continent. It's about a whole planet, that it's the only astronomical object known to harbor life. We all know that it started already. An environmental cancer, the climate change.
Nobody in Europe will be abandoned.
Nobody in Europe will be abandoned.
Nobody in Europe will be excluded.
Nobody in Europe will be excluded.
Europe only succeeds if we work together.
Europe only succeeds if we work together. Change is coming. We can't be stopped. Education and awareness will bring us to the top.
Hello everyone, I am from the United States of America, and although I believe that my country is one of the greatest countries in the world,
and although my country is 95% unharmed forest, my people take that as an excuse to deforestation, to make deforestation happen. And although my country is home to 10% of the world's sweet water, my people take that as an excuse to pollute the water. And although my country is one of the only countries that has carbon-free air, my people use that as an excuse to pollute the air.
Because we are women of the earth!
Well, as you know, we're all Latinas, so we have like the flavor. I want to introduce you to our large land. We are a very privileged part of this world because we have the Amazonas that is the main part of air producer. So we're so blessed to have all these lands, and because of that, we were talking all together, and we get to one point. Is that the deforestation is the main problem in our continent, because in every part of our countries there's so many regions that are being devastated because of that. So I want to invite you all to hear maybe one of the places that we can invite you to visit in our countries.
Para mí sería el respeto hacia la madre tierra que debemos tenerle, porque no es solamente hablar del agua, no es solamente de hablar de los árboles, de la deforestación, sino también de los animales, sino también de los animales que están siendo que están en peligro de extinción por este problema del cambio climático. Yo realmente en mi país, en Venezuela, yo los invitaría a que fueran y conocieran lo que son los desiertos, que es los médanos de Coro, la cascada más alta de toda Latinoamérica, que es Salto Ángel. Los invitaría a que también conocieran También tenemos en Mérida, tenemos las nieves, el nevado en las montañas. Y también estamos conectados con el Amazonas entre Brasil y Colombia. Realmente es lo que yo pienso, tener respeto.
El único riesgo es que te quieras quedar.
And the Green Bank has identified major problems in Africa. But guess what? We have the best and the accurate mechanism to solve the following problems: poverty, sustainable development, climate change, which we all know is caused by human activities, which releases toxic substances into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide and methane and water vapor are very toxic to change climate change. But EcoBank, which we have, and we work with the Green Bank, we will reduce these problems in Africa. Talking about food security, we don't want Africans to go hungry. The Green Bank will supply enough food in our tourist center that when you come, you will eat and have more relaxation. We will extend this food to other communities close by. And finally, we want to eradicate unemployment by employing the youth and other vibrant people in our society to join the Green Bank to work hard to change climate change. Thank you.